Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen, like this. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down or up on the screen to scroll through the menu, like this. Scroll through the menu until you find the More option and tap on it. Here tap on DND option. This is the Do Not Disturb mode, the shortcut for Do Not Disturb mode rather, DND. Tap on it. And right here we have a couple of options, as you can see. First option is turn off DND. If this option is selected, the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. Next we have auto DND. If this option is enabled, basically when the smartband detects that you're sleeping, it's gonna turn on the Do Not Disturb mode automatically. And if you wake up, it's gonna turn it off. And next option is keep DND on. If you select this option, the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled until you turn it off. So it's gonna be enabled forever until you turn it off, basically. And below we have durations. We can enable it for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. So if you select one of the durations, it's gonna be enabled for that duration. So I selected 1 hour, so it's gonna be enabled for 1 hour, as you can see. And at the bottom we have custom option. This option, if you select it, it allows you to set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, so you can set up when it's gonna be turning on automatically and turning off automatically. So once you select custom, you'll see the start option, and here you can set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. So let's set it to something like maybe 10:30. Okay, come on. Once you set the start time, swipe up on the screen to scroll down, and here we have the end time. So let's set it to something like 6:30. Basically, you can set the time by tapping on the arrows. Of course, I forgot to mention that. And once you set it, you can tap on the check mark. And as you can see, now we have the custom. It's gonna be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. Okay, and of course, to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply again tap on More, tap on DND, and select the option called Turn Off DND. Also, if you're not sure if the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, you can tell by looking at the home screen, at the watch face. So let's select Keep DND on. Now it's enabled. And you can tell that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled by this icon right here in the top left corner. It's quite small, but you can see it. That means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So let's disable it like this. And the icon is gone, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.